All right, it's Saturday, so like most Saturdays, I am heading out to the gym to meet up with Matt to do some planning for the week. We'll be there for a little while. Then we've got, what's after that? Then we go to Mom's because Allison's working today. She watched the kids last night, so we're gonna go over there and hang out with them for a while, pick up the kids, and we'll just see how the day goes from there. It's Saturday. I actually don't have a bunch of stuff planned today, so it's gonna be a little willy-nilly. Nice. Went in there to get coffee at the gate, and this is the second time they've been slap out of coffee. So I'm pumping my gas, waiting for some coffee pots to fill up so I can get some caffeine for the morning. Got really lucky with the weather again. Really nice out again today. It's been a little hot lately, but we can't complain about the sunshine. The Sunshine State has been holding strong with delivering plenty of sunshine here in the last month or two. We've had enough rain to where everything's not drying out, which is good because sometimes here in the summer, if we don't get rain enough, everything dries out and the whole frickin' state about half catches on fire, and that's never any fun. So we've had enough rain to stop all that, but not too much rain. Mostly sunny days, and been enjoying the good weather. Got another one today. Nothing but blue skies. At the gym, let's see what Maddie's up to. What's up, pumpkin butt?
Pumpkin butt. It's more like burrito butt. I had Chipotle yesterday. He's out, ladies and gentlemen, he's out.
Bye, Maddie.
Holla.
We'll see you later, buddy. You guys have fun today.
You too, buddy.
Tell Mike and Jake we said hello.
Alright.
Adios, amigo. That's me and Matt done for our business stuff for the day. Now it is time to go to the parents' house, meet up with the fam, get the kiddos, spend a little time with them for a while. En route. Hello. All right. We are about to run out for a little while. I don't even know where we're going, but we've come to the conclusion if we don't get these kids out of the house for a little while, let them burn off some energy, we're all gonna go crazy. So we're going out. So we were at Best Buy and this happened. Yep. Vlogs are about to get a lot better. We are now in Target in the toy section. And I think if you remember from a previous vlog, this is not going to end well. We will be in here until my 40th birthday, which is 2 years from now.
Look at this.
Like a never-ending maze. Well, that trip to Target surprisingly only took 3.5 months. It wasn't as bad as the normal 2.5 year trip.
Oh, Jeremy.
So that's good. It went well.
I can't take this out.
What are you doing, Gracie?
I can't take this out.
What are you making?
I'm making a choo-choo.
A choo-choo?
May I take it out? So how can I get it out? No, how can
What about you, JJ? What are you making, buddy?
Slime.
Slime.
Yeah. A slime turd.
A slime turd.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Slime turd. Of course, obviously. Yeah.
Just gonna.
You got on your safety gear to play with Play-Doh? Just in case you have a Play-Doh explosion, it doesn't get in your eyes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We make it out of poo turtle. Let me show you how I make my slime turd.
Your slime turd.
Yeah, put that green stuff in there. There goes a turd.
There goes a turd.
Turd.
All right. Okay, a slime turd. A slime turd. Obviously. What else would it be? We are on the way back to the house. Been at the grandparents all day. Well, my parents all day, their grandparents all day.
And we just talked to
Hanging out, spending some family time.
And we talked to our mom on the phone.
Yeah, and we just talked to Allison on FaceTime and she's home, so we're heading back to the house.
Yep.
What could be in this box that says DJI Phantom on it? Oh. Yep, it's a DJI Phantom 4. That's what I thought. DJI Phantom 4. Really pumped about this. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be good. Before I even take this thing and put it together, well, not that there's that much putting together to do, I'm about to watch a lot of YouTube because I want to make sure I know what the heck is going on before I mess with this and wreck it. So, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. We'll be back once I feel confident that I can fly this thing without destroying it. We'll be back soon, hopefully. We got a little excited and we totally forgot to turn this on. We came out here to mess with the drone, which is hovering right over there. I don't know if you can see it, but we planned on
I want to do something different for an adult.
we
Can't see it because it's white.
can't see it because it's white.
The sky looks pretty.
See if I can get you filming the drone. Yeah, there's you. Is that some Matrix stuff? You filming the drone, filming me, filming us, filming the drone? You see on that? Go. You hear? He's like, hey, that's no fair. Come on, Jay, I'll race you. Get it, bud. Go, go, go. Go. I'm gonna beat you. Go. You better hurry.
I want you to go faster. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Calm down. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and watching our stuff. Hope you're liking it. Hope you're enjoying the videos. I try to post new stuff 2 to 3 times a week. So stop by and check us out. And hey Jarrett, what do we want the people to do?
I'll click the link down below.
That's right, click the link down below. And yes, I did just use a child to try to guilt you into clicking the subscribe button. I'm not below it. I'll try cheap tricks, I will. I'm sorry. I will.